This is our Y1198, a commercial slicer. It has two feeding tubes for feeding individual products such as onions, or in this case we're going to try tomatoes. Okay, you put the tomatoes in the tube. You can set them in there nice. You know, there's a slot in the front so you can use your fingers to lay them in the orientation you want, to lay them flat. Basically you want to kind of keep the tubes as full as you can, because the weight of the tomatoes on top of the tomatoes is what really gives them a good slicing capability. It kind of helps push them down. Otherwise you'd have to use a plastic pusher. Okay, go ahead. Now we're doing onions. We're going to put them in there. You put them in the slot one at a time. You can orient them. Normally you do this when the machine is running, but it's important to keep the tubes as full as you can, because the weight of the onions on top helps to push the onions down through the blade. And there's the blade for the slicer, and that's what the cutting surface looks like. And of course there are different blades available for it for different slice thicknesses and products. The frame is large enough to set the cutter over a tote so that the product can drop right into a tote, or you can run a conveyor underneath. But that's it. That's our Y1198 commercial slicer.